Today, I would like to introduce a very wonderful topic, which is the all facing in North America. I'm not against the work of the woman. Work hard like a horse. Punishment is your kids is going away from you. If you like my videos, and a small tip, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Life with Mansoor. Thank you. Once again, this is Mansoor. I'm the president and CEO of MB Group of the company. Today, I would like to introduce a very wonderful topic, which is the all facing in North America. This topic now is slowly grows in all over the Asia and all over the world. That everybody asks the same question: that how to engage the kids with your life. I made many videos in the different languages, and to mention them that in your life, if you are success in your business, if you are success in the job, with after the certain period of time, because life is a journey. We want, when we are young, we want a privacy. We want nobody to disturb us. We want a king, and we want to do everything alone. Unfortunately, the culture of North America, if the husband and wife are working together, the kids went to the daycare. They slowly used to it, that now they went to the daycare, they're making a distance slowly. Both husband and wife come to the home, they're both tired. And now they bring the kids from the daycare and to put in the home. And they sleep. And the next cycle will be start again. Time fly, my friends. When the kids grow, you never think that you will going to engage with the kids on the day-to-day operation. You slowly make a distance with the kids. And we all understand that all we are doing for the kids, we all facility we're bringing into the home, and all hard working we're doing it because of the next for the next generation. But what happened if you did not take care on day-to-day basis? So in North America culture, I advise personally myself, I'm not against the work of the woman. The woman and man are the equal character, and they supposed to run equally. But do the math and sit down in the home. If you have two kids, you are sitting in the in the babysitting. You pay $15-16 for the babysitting. You pay the separate insurance. You pay the cost of the food at the job site. You pay cleaner at the home. You pay to buy the food for the house. Just make a total altogether. You spend more than what you earned. And what you are getting a loss is you are away your kids from you. Work hard like a horse. The punishment is your kids is going away from you. So my friend, the way should be learned is that when your kids is grow, I'm not saying do the job or do not do the job. I this is not my topic, but my advice to you is engage with the kids from the young age. Share your problem with them. Give a honest opinion to the kids and create the value in the home, that who you are, why they respect you. They will not respect you because you are their father or you are their mother. You have to ask the question by yourself, that my kids, why they respect me. If you get this answer, you start getting respect. If your attitude, behavior in the home is rational, if you are not spending time with them, if you are not resolving your problem which in their mind, when they grow up, then the old house is available for you. They will kick you out to the old house. At that time, you will say that my kids is not respecting me, and I work hard for them. My friends, I pass, I land in this country 1996. Almost 27 years I already spent in this country. I love this country. This is the country I feel is heaven on this earth. But if you want to be continuous stay in this heaven, you have to start today to spend time with your kids with the true hearted and create the value in the home. If you are the lawyer, if you are the doctor, if you are the businessman, you have to have share the importance with the kids. The moment you start this exercise and having a value putting on the table, they will automatically attach with you. But this is the one you have to work hard separately. If you will not think on this way, that's a problem in North America. I'm saying that North America, being my background from Pakistan, honestly, nowadays when I went to the Pakistan also, I see the same culture over there as well. Kids involved with the drugs, kids involved with the other stuff which you're not supposed to like it. Kids involved not their future, they start doing a short-term journey, and you lose everything. You work hard to build the empire, but nobody carrying on this empire to carry forward for the next generation. So I will give you 5 tips to make sure how to be engaged with the kids. Engagement with the kids is you have to carry your kids anywhere you go from the childhood, my friends. Number one, like they will see the culture, what you do, what you spend time, how you link your life with the other people, so they see the journey. Number two, show the kids how you respect your wife, how you respect to the others, so they will learn the respect. And number three, do not spoil them. I never say that do not give them. I say do not spoil them. Start learn how to say no. And when you need to say no, you must say no. I understand our kids, we want everything for them, but sometimes you have to learn it. I give you one example. If your kids every day asking a pizza, 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 if you're giving every day that to them, in one day for them there's no use, their respect will be lost. Once you say, you let them to sit down and tell them, you look at the cost of the pizza every day. If you save the money today, if you make a schedule, eat every Friday or eat every Sunday, you are educating your kids how to spend money in a nicer way. Do the courage and do it. Number four, when they start what they want, always ask them why, what you're going to do. If you let them to overspend, you realize them, you know what, today you spend a little bit extra, but next time be careful. I'm not saying teach them, educate them. And number five, very, very important tip. From the childhood to try to childhood, try to try to eat the food together. This is the key point. Once you are to eat food together, the discussion table on the lunch table or dinner table is entirely different. Follow my these 5 steps. You will see the energy in the home and you will see the brighter future of your old age. Don't think you have always power to be maintain yourself for a future. If you want to protect yourself and protect your family, follow my this thumb rule. I hope you like my video. Once again, thank you. This is Mansoor.